welcome to my video.
Hello guys, welcome to Monster Smash. As you can see, we've got some of these magnet tiles.
And I can choose the ones to watch them.
And we've got a box full of monster trucks.
And I can choose whatever I can.
And this is the ramp we're using. And then it'll smash into that. Right, and James, what are we using first?
Grave digger.
We've got grave digger, as you can see. It's for the mudder ones. For the mud and you wash them. Right, go James.
And it's muddy. Look, it's muddy
Got
wheels.
muddy wheels. Go. No, he completely missed.
He's dead.
Yep. Next one, James. Alright, now we're using Earth Shaker with the funky wheels.
Not funky wheels.
He's got funny colour wheels, isn't he?
Yeah.
Right, go in Earth Shaker. Oh,
Yes!
he did a bit of damage there. Knocked the door out. Right, you can move out of the way now, Mr. Earth Shaker. Right, next one, Dave. Who we got this time?
Tim.
Oh. We got... Oh, he ran off. We got Megalodon in white.
And he was...
Ice.
He was just good.
Yeah, right, let's go, Dave. Let's see where he goes. Oh, he just completely missed.
But he got off that bit.
Yeah, he did.
It's okay.
Right, next one. Oh, we got... What's this called, James?
Olivia.
We've got
Olivia.
Crush Delivery. This sounds promising. There he goes.
Yes.
Oh, he smashed inside there. You better take him out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's move him a little bit.
Did a bit of damage there, didn't he? Here we got this time then. Right, dig deep. Oh, we got T-Rex.
I think he's gonna make it.
Yeah, it looks strong and heavy.
All down.
Ready?
But please don't go that way.
Oh, wasn't that great? But he made it. Right, you can come out of there now.
Do you think it was the race?
Maybe, yeah. Alright, dig some more monster trucks out, James. Oh, what's his name? His name's called... What's his name, James?
Don't know.
Let's have a look. He's called Lumberjack. Come on, Lumberjack. Knock it down.
Smash it.
Where's he going? Alright, so we've got next, James. Need a better monster truck.
Spider-Man.
Oh, we got the Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Go, Spider-Man. Oh, hit the side. Oh, he hit the side.
Thank you, Spider-Man.
Oh, we've got Superman now. Go, Superman.
He saved me the day.
Oh, they keep hitting that side, didn't they? Yeah.
I want him to hit that bit, then it will fall down.
Yeah. Try again.
It's smash and smash.
Oh.
No.
No.
Good job. Hulk.
Oh, we got Hulk.
Hulk and Carnage.
Venom.
Venom.
Go.
Go. Oh no.
What a miss. Completely
Actually,
rolled it.
it's good because he smashed the monster trucks.
Right, next one. Oh, we've got Roger Dodger.
That's what I got for my birthday.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's
It
cool.
was in my cake.
Oh, yeah.
And it was monster trucks.
Okay. Roger Dodger!
Yeah!
Yay! Roger Dodger!
But the Dodger got a trophy.
Let's see the replay. Well, that was cool, wasn't it, James? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And please subscribe to see more of these weird videos.
Actually, I got
Bye.
to show you.
Oh, you've got something to show us.
These
Donkey Kong.
are going to go.
Yeah.
And Donkey Kong race.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.